Hi, dear players. Welcome to my Eggy workshop tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll learn about changing colors and changing components' appearances. First, let me introduce the color change function. Let's start by tapping on the component we want to adjust the color for. Then, open its advanced settings in the toolbar. Tap on the block next to color, and you can start adjusting its color. What you will see first is the system's built-in color palette. It's very easy to use. Just tap your preferred color block, and the component will change to this color. Apart from using the system's built-in color palette, you can also create your own color schemes. For example, if you like this yellow, you can tap Save Color below. And this color will be saved in your custom color palette. When creating a map, you can save frequently used colors in your custom color palette, making color extraction a breeze. Next, let me introduce the third color palette. This is one of the most frequently used color palettes. In this color palette, you can extract any color you like. You can see different colors from the left to the right. You can choose the color you want on this palette. As for the top to bottom variation, it represents changes in brightness. The further down you go, the lighter the color becomes. On the right, you can drag up and down to change the saturation. The further down you drag, the more intense the color becomes. What does this button, next to confirm, do? Tapping it will revert the component's color back to its default color. What about these different combinations of letters and numbers? These are codes for different colors. Every color has its own exclusive code, just like your ID number. With a code, you can directly find its corresponding color. These codes are internationally recognized. In other words, if you know the code of a color you like, you can input that code in the game to extract that color here. It also serves another purpose. When you want to use a color you previously applied and avoid any color deviation, you can use this function. Instead of relying on your eyes and manual color matching, you can try the following method to ensure color accuracy. Open the advanced settings of the previous component. Copy the color code of that particular color. Paste it onto your new component. This way, the color of your new component will be the exact same as the previous one. Compare manually adjusting the color to copying the color code, and you'll see that using the code ensures accuracy without any discrepancies. Now, let me explain how to change appearances. Tap on the component panel on the right. Components with a small brush icon. In the top left corner, have multiple appearance options. Tap on this icon, and then select your preferred appearance to make the switch. There's another way to switch appearance. You can tap on the component that you've already placed on the map and open its advanced settings. In the bottom toolbar, tap the icon in the top left corner to switch its appearance. You can also change the color's offmost component's appearances. Now, let's recap the key points we learned today. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Did you get everything? Feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what else you'd like to learn. See ya next time.